If the CCPA-NPA is considered a terrorist organization by the United States and by Europe and the Western world, why is there a growing presence of the CCPA-NPA in the USA? In fact, they are raising some fundraisers there. Why is the USA allowing the CCPA to have a legalized fundraiser in America? Why is America allowing the CCPA-NPA to recruit in America and overseas? Why are there some US lobbyists who are funding the CCPA-NPA? I thought the CCPA-NPA was considered a terrorist organization by the Americans or the US government.